Meme coins are going absolutely parabolic and it's making people millionaires overnight. For example, the popular coin Dogecoin is up 4x on the year. Also, this picture of a dog wearing a hat is up over 1000% since its launch. And also, this coin right here called Peanut went from 0 to a $2 billion market cap in less than a week. I've been trading these meme coins and I'm up over $32,000 in just the past 30 days. And if you've been following me on Twitter, you know we've been making a good amount of money trading ridiculous coins such as this stick figure here named Lester and this horse named Cheyenne. However, I truly believe that this opportunity won't last long and we are currently in a crazy mania phase. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I personally make money buying and selling these silly meme coins. I'm going to give you guys my exact step-by-step strategy. And for those of you who are wondering, no, I have absolutely nothing to sell you. And although I have taken some big wins, I've also had some big losses in the space as well, and I want you guys to avoid that. And make sure to stay to the end of the video where I show you guys my #1 tool to help me secure profits over the past couple of months. And without further ado, let's get to it. So in 2024, meme coins became the best performing and most profitable asset class in crypto. The main reason why meme coins are doing really well is because we are in a crypto bull market. So this means that the top coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are moving up a lot in price. So as a result of this, people are very excited and money is flying all around. And this is leading to huge price increases in a very short amount of time. So I believe that as long as crypto keeps moving up in price, we will continue to see this meme coin mania continue. However, I do not think that it will last forever. So the first thing that you're going to want to do if you are getting into the space is you're going to want to buy a token called Solana. This is the network that most people do trade on. It is very fast and the fees are very cheap, which is why most people do use it. So what you're going to want to do is head to a centralized exchange such as Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini, and you're going to want to buy the token called Solana. The next thing you do after this is you're going to want to set up a Phantom wallet, and you can do this on the Google extensions or you can download the app as well. But once your wallet is set up, you're going to want to take the Solana that you did buy and send it over to your Phantom wallet. And just like that, you guys are ready to go. All you have to do is set up a BullX or Photon trading account. And this is actually where you're going to buy and sell these tokens. Both of these platforms are great and you can't go wrong with them. But I did realize that a lot of the top traders are actually using BullX. So now that you have some context about the meme coin market and you have your wallet all set up and ready to go, we're going to go into the #1 strategy that has worked for me. And this is going to be copy trading wallets. So if you guys don't know what copy trading is, it is exactly what it sounds like. You're basically going to find the smartest wallets in the space or the most profitable traders, and all you're going to do is buy exactly what they buy and you're going to sell exactly when they sell. However, I will disclose that you have to choose the right wallets, and I also want to disclose not every single trade that you take will be profitable. However, over the long term, if you do follow the right wallets, you should be able to come out with a decent amount of money. Okay guys, so jumping straight into things, the first tool that you guys are going to want to utilize is going to be called gmgn.ai, and this is essentially where you can see a lot of the top tokens that are being traded on the platforms such as BullX and Photon. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to jump into this trending tab, and we're going to be trying to find some profitable or interesting wallets that we could possibly track. So this token right here called Zen is the #1 token that has been traded over the past 24 hours. So all we have to do is actually click on this token here, and then what we're going to want to do is go to the traders tab right over here. So if we do scroll down, we can see exactly how much money these guys made on this new token. And keep in mind that this ticker called Zen came out only 19 hours ago, and if we scroll down here, we can see this person made $360,000 in realized profits. We can also see this person right here made $172,000. This person made $153,000, and that's over the span of 19 hours. So clearly these people are making a ton of money, and we can actually go over and investigate all of these wallets very easily with this tool gmgn. So we could go over to the top guy over here, and we can analyze and see all of his trades. So we can see that he has profited $2.2 million, and over the past week he has already made $428,000 in profit, and he is up over 107%. We can also take a look at his win rate here. So he is winning 48% of his trades, so that is a little bit under 50. So that is something to keep in mind. And also, as you can see here, he has bought 108 coins and he has sold 205 times. So we could take a look at his recent P&L too, so we can see the history of his trades. So as you can see here, this token up only, he has actually made $380,000 profit. The Zen trade that we said, again, $360,000. And guys, the list goes on and on and on. And again, this is all realized profits. So he is a very profitable trader, as you guys can see. And these are huge percentage gains, as you guys can see. 9,600% return, 3,100% return, 2000% return. So this guy is definitely doing really well for himself, but that doesn't tell the whole story. We can also see some of his top losses as well. He lost $51,000 on a token called Fava and $17,000 on a token called Kobe. So it is not all sunshine and rainbows, and this is what I mean. If you do copy trade people, you're not going to win all of the time. I would just use it as an indicator if you do want to buy something. And again, a lot of it is going to depend on the wallet that you do find. However, if you do think that this wallet is interesting and you do want to copy it or track it, all you have to do is go to here and click the copy tab, and you can throw it into your tracker. So if you guys are looking for a wallet tracker, I would recommend a Potion Wallets. This is a very fast site. If you're trading on your computer, I would use this. If you're trading on your mobile device, I recommend you get another tool called Cielo Finance. It is very fast and very responsive. However, for me personally, Potion is the one that I currently use. So all we have to do after we get the wallet is we can paste the address in here, and we could give him a nickname, just like Good Trader, or you can come up with fake names for them. That's exactly what I do. And then all we have to do is click add, and just like that, when we get live trades, we will be updated and we will be pinged if we have this page open. So as you guys can see, I do have a bunch of wallets that I loaded up in here that I do like, and I do track quite a bit of them. But after you do all of your research, you could go to the live trades and you can see exactly what they are buying and selling. And it does look like Corti here made 77 Solana, so that is a good amount of money simply on this token called Sky. So if we were able to simply copy trade him, we could have maybe made some money alongside him. So this is the main strategy that I've been using over the past couple of days, and I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to find the correct wallets. When I first started out, I simply thought that I could just copy trade almost anyone as long as they were a profitable trader. However, that is simply not the case. You will get pumped and dumped on, and you will lose a good amount of money. I personally followed this person called Cupsy on Twitter, and I was following every single one of his trades, but he trades basically every single second, so it was hard to keep up with. I was getting pumped and dumped on, and I would not recommend it. That is not Cupsy's fault. That is just simply my fault. So that is just one example of why you shouldn't blindly copy trade someone, even if they are a profitable trader. So for me personally, when I'm looking for people to add to my wallet tracker, I want them to have a high win rate. So this is an example of a wallet that I do track. He does have a high win rate. He's up $8.2 million trading meme coins. And another thing that I really do like is looking at their transactions over the past 7 days. So he only bought 36 tokens, and I know that does sound like a lot, but in the meme coin space, a lot of these traders trade hundreds of tokens. So this is a relatively low amount, and because it's so low, it's easy to track him, and you don't have to basically be on your phone the entire day. So this makes this person a very easy wallet to track, and also, as you can see, very profitable. They're up $603,000 over the past week. And again, this wallet has been pretty good for me. We could take a look at all of his activity, etc. But overall, you do want to make sure that they do have a high win rate and they don't trade like an absolute maniac. And another bonus thing is you want to make sure that they hold tokens for a little bit of time. This way, they're not just pumping and dumping on you. They're actually buying into a token because they believe it has a good narrative, or maybe they have some information that can help you. So these are some of the wallets I do like to track and some of the key things that I do look at before I decide to add them to my tracker. Okay guys, and here are some of the examples of tokens that I was able to get in early on simply by tracking some of these wallets. So the biggest coin, Peanut, as you guys know, I got in very early, basically sub $3 million market cap. I was getting in down here. However, I did sell quite a bit of my bag too down here, and this is before it ripped. So I was buying at $3 million market cap, and as you guys can see, it is at $2 billion. So if I actually held all of the Peanut from the lows that I did initially buy, I'd be up over $1 million. But it is what it is. That's just kind of how the game works. I did want to just sell out of that position. So if you are wondering, yes, I did actually fumble $1 million on that Peanut trade, but that is okay. Another token I was able to get early in on is Pippin. I was actually buying this below $1 million market cap, and it ran all the way to 74. So over a 74x I was able to get. However, as you guys can see from my buys and sells, I kind of traded like a maniac, kind of following the wallets, but I was able to make a little bit of money here, and I was able to get in really early. Also, another one like Lester, I was able to buy all the way down here, $11 million market cap, and it ran all the way to $147 million market cap. I think I made around 18 SOL on this trade, so not too bad. Also got in on Fred pretty early, just using this strategy, tracking the right wallets. Another generational fumble, as you guys can see, I sold way too early down here, as it ran all the way up to 260 million, and I was buying around a $2 million market cap, so quite ridiculous. I just fumbled, but we live and learn. I'm still in the space, hoping to catch kind of that big run, and I'm using this strategy to do so. But these are just a few examples of tokens that I did trade relatively early. All right, guys, so that is going to be one of the main strategies that I use to make money in the meme coin space. But I do want to put out a huge disclaimer that most of these projects will go down to zero. So I'd highly recommend you guys take profits if you guys are up. I would only invest what you can afford to lose. And I also want to say none of this is financial advice. This is just what I am personally doing to try to make money in the meme coin space. However, that is not everything that I'm doing. If you guys want more videos to see what I am doing up to date, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I really do appreciate you guys, and be on the lookout for more videos. I hope that this did help, and goodbye. Beep.